On today's video, we're going to try to fix the convertible top on my Impala. It's not working correctly. Lately, it's been going up really slow. It struggles to go up and down. So there's a few things we can check. Your hydraulic pump and motor can be bad. The frame can be out of whack. But I checked online and they said first check the fluid levels in your pump. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see here, it took over 1 minute and 15 seconds to lift up. Instead of boring you with the 1 minute and 15 seconds of this, let's go ahead and speed the video up. My pump and motor is located in the trunk right underneath the convertible top. So here's where this one is located. Before I crawl in there, I'm going to go ahead and get some hydraulic fluid ready in a squeeze bottle. You can also use transmission fluid for this. So I need to crawl in the trunk for this. So we're going to look for the plug, and there it is right there. That's the plug where you add fluid to it. So let's go ahead and remove this. Try not to drop it. So the pump was low on fluid, so let's go ahead and add some to it. So I added about 1.5 ounces to it until the start coming up.
Papa, what are you doing inside?
I'm fixing the car.
It's the car?
Mm-hmm. Alright. Está lleno. Just replace the plug. Obviously, this ain't the original pump. I didn't put them zippies on there, but it's working, so let's just keep going. Tighten her up just like that. And that's how you do it, guys. Just like that. Give it a shot, guys. I can already see that it's going down a lot faster. So I think we fixed it, guys. The real test is when I go up. Oh yeah, definitely there's a difference. It's going up a lot faster. Before adding the oil, we timed it at 1 minute and 15 seconds to fully go up. And this time we timed it at 24 seconds. So definitely, there it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that bell.